Hello everyone, welcome to my series The History of Common Things. This is the fourth episode of my series, and this time I'll be sharing with you a brief history about candles. Like always, I have my brother Navneet supporting me in narration. Candles were among the earliest inventions of the ancient world, as shown by candlesticks from Egypt and Crete dating to at least 3000 BCE. Although it is one of the oldest light sources, candles have not changed much through history. The ancient Romans are generally credited with developing the wicked candle by dipping rolled papyrus in melted tallow.
But candles are used around the world. So how did this spread? When did they come to India?
In many parts of the world, the candles started getting developed at the same time. In China, their early candles were reportedly molded in paper tubes using rolled rice paper for the wick and wax from an indigenous insect that was combined with seeds. In Japan, their candles were made of wax that was extracted from trees. In India, they made candle wax by boiling the fruit of a cinnamon tree around 200 BC.
Wow! Candles from cinnamon. We have some candles in our house which gives good fragrance.
Yes, while the East started using bee wax and extracts from trees, most early Western culture relied primarily on candles rendered from animal tallow. Unlike animal tallow, bee wax burnt clean without producing smoky flame. It also smelled better than the foul and acrid smell of tallow, but bee wax candles were expensive. 18th century whaling industry was key in candle history. There was a wax obtained by crystallizing sperm whale oil which was called spermaceti. These candles were more hard, no pungent smell, and had brighter light. Historians call this the first standard candles.
So, are the candles we burn still made of whale?
No, in 1850s, chemists learned to separate paraffin from petroleum. Paraffin was a boon to candle making. It burned clean and consistently. It had a challenge of low melting point, but that was solved by adding stearic acid. Invention of kerosene and later electric bulbs caused the decline of candles. But in 20th century, there was a resurgence of candles as decorative items, mood setters, and fragrant creators. Today, there are a number of ingredients used in candle making.
Yes, we use those flower candles floating in water. They look very aesthetic.
Yes, today they symbolize celebration, romance, comfort, peace, ceremony, and aesthetic. Candles keep our surroundings lit warm, cozy, and virtually pleasing, and that's the beauty of a candle. Thank you for watching the brief history of candles. You can watch the earlier episodes of History of Common Things in my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel to watch future episodes.